Hello there and welcome to the Super Agent app walkthrough. My name is Pavel, the creator of the Super Agent app. I represent Bespoke Chat, the chat contact center from Poland. We have always looked for ways to increase the efficiency of chat agents and the quality of chats that we answer for our customers, who are mainly car dealerships and property developers. We have prepared a few apps that we use ourselves in everyday work. The Super Agent app was created to allow us to service more chats without losing any quality and responsiveness in the process. We have also added the possibility of private chatting between different live chat agents without a need to switch out of LiveChat. Before we start, I invite you to pin the Super Agent app to the LiveChat menu so it is always easily accessible. Go to the apps menu, find Super Agent, and use the pin icon. Thanks to that, it will become visible at the top of the list of all apps. Open the Super Agent app and authorize it first. Once activated, you will see an empty screen once there is no active chat associated with you. Start accepting chats and wait for a new customer, take one from the queue, or start chats from the traffic tab, the similar way as you did directly in the LiveChat interface. Your new chats present themselves immediately. You can see a chat the same way as in the LiveChat interface, but now you will be able to see all of them on one screen. If a customer is waiting long for your answer, the border of a chat becomes red. You can use canned responses, as always, by using the hashtag and tag each of your chats using predefined tags. The next chats will be visible on the right. You can jump between them using the keyboard shortcut. When using a button in the bottom menu, you can see any queued chats and assign them to yourself from there. You can also see the list of available agents and start a conversation with them. Such just will appear also on the list, with a turquoise box for sending messages. Only the selected agent is going to see these messages, but he also needs to use Super Agent or Text Team Chat app. There is also a settings section where you can define if you want to see more than 8 chats once present, and if you want to see links to web pages browsed by customers. While using the trial monthly plan, Super Agents is fully free to use. Once you reach the processed chat limit, the app will stop working until next month or until you select and activate any of the paid options. Select the basic or pro monthly plan or use our one-time packages without subscription payments. You can also contact us to get a quote for the unlimited plan, which will be based on your current traffic and will have no limits in place. That's all that I wanted to tell you to help you kickstart your adventure with the Super Agent app. If you have any questions or concerns, as well as ideas and suggestions, I am open to hearing them all during a free online meeting. Just select a time that is suitable for you. I also invite you to check our other apps like Super Trainer, which sends reminders to your chat agents based on rules that you set, or Super Queue, which notifies you about queuing customers. Both apps are free. Thank you for your attention and happy chatting.